El delantero brasileño de 31 anos, Robinho, está abandonando si trabalha na China para o clube Guangzhou, que está conta luna aqui com o treinador brasileiro Felipe Scolari. Também Scolari está logrando convencer Paulinho, que está para Tottenham Hotspur, para baihunga na China, e pago está bom na piscina também. E durante a vacância tem diferentes campos de diferentes deportes. E na Tierra del Sol, tem golf camp.
Mirando que tem hope e interesse de parte de Mucha para seguir com golf durante a vacância, tem golf camp, que lota 3 dias para simang para Mucha.
Yeah, for the month of July, we're going to be having an option for the kids golf-related up here at Tierra del Sol each week of July. It'll be Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, 3 days of the week, from 9 o'clock till 1 o'clock. It'll be $145 for the entire week, or $60 per class. But we encourage the kids to come for the whole week so that way they can get all the basics of the instruction. We're going to basically introduce them to not just golf, but also a new sport called foot golf, which is kind of a soccer-based golf concept where they go on the golf course and simply play, football or soccer. And really it's fun for them to run around and enjoy, and also introduces them to the game of golf as well.
It will be not only golf, sometimes they have fun with it also.
Yes, absolutely. It's important for these kids to get outside during the summertime and exercise a little bit and have fun. And, this is just another element for them to do so as well.
Lo tiene buen programa en cada otro, para mucho divertir.
Well, it's going to start off with golf in the morning times. We can give them the instruction of the short game, such as putting and chipping, and then also work on their golf swing here, give them the fundamentals of the grip and the stance, and then as well introduce them to the foot golf, as I mentioned. They'll also be receiving a lunch during the day, food and drink, and also snacks. Keep them happy and keep them fed and hydrated.
So the parents will be okay because they're in good hands here at Tierra del Sol.
Absolutely. Every year the kids always have fun and enjoy themselves. And, the main thing is for them to have fun, but also stay safe. We don't want to have kids coming here and getting hurt. But, with the structure of what we do with the golf and the foot golf, it'll kind of eliminate those things and keep it more structured and be fun for them.